red color, red color, blue color, blue color, yellow color, yellow color, black color, black color, green color, green color, white color, white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first letter of 1 and use red color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2. Kids again use red color and draw 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4. Kids again use red color and draw 5 F I V E 5. Kids night 6 and use blue color, blue color, the shape, the numbers of 6 and use blue color S I X 6 7 S E V E and 7. It's again use blue color and draw 8 E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9. Kids again use blue color and draw 10 T E and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids night 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids night 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color, black color. Seventeen. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. Kids again use black color and draw 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The last letter 20. And again use black color, red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring ABC. Kids first draw A and use red color. The alphabets of A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids again use red color and draw C. C for cat, C for car, D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids again use red color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids night F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F and use yellow color. G. G for goat, T for grapes. Kids again use yellow color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Kids again use yellow color and draw Z. Z for joker. J for jackfruit. K. K for kite. K for king. Kids neither L. L for lion. L for lemon. And use blue color. Blue color. M. M for moon. M for mango. Kids again use blue color and draw N. N for nose. N for nest. It's neither O. O for orange. O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use black color. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Kids again use black color and draw Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. Kids again use black color and draw R. R for rose. R for rice. S. S for sun. S for snake. Kids again use black color and draw T. T for teacher. T for tiger. Kids neither U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. And use green color. Green color. The alphabets of U. V. V for van. V for vanilla. Kids again use green color and draw W. W for wallet. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Kids again use green color and draw Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Yellow color. Yellow color. Red color. Red color. Blue color. Blue color. Green color. Green color. White color. White color. Black color. Black color. Kids eye coloring 2D shapes. Kids first draw star. The shape of star. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids neither pentagon. The shape of pentagon. And use red color. Red color. The shape of pentagon. Kids neither circle. The shape of circle. Kids neither square. The shape of square. And use blue color. Blue color. The shape of square. And use blue color. Kids write a triangle, the shape of triangle, and use green color, green color. Kids write a circle, the shape of circle, and use white color, white color, the shape of circle. It's illustrate a trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid, and use black color, black color. The shape of trapezoid, and use black color, black color, blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color, blue color. The alphabets of A. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids write a F. F for fish, F for fan, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids write a H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids write a J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use red color. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids again use red color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids write a O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use black color, black color. Kids again use black color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids write R. R for rose, R for rice, and use green color, green color. Kids again use green color and draw S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use green color and draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle, V. V for van. V for vanilla. Kids again use green color and draw W. W for wallet. W for watch. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. X for telephone. And use white color. Kids again use white color and draw Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Kids now draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers. And first draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use blue color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2. Kids now draw 3. And again use blue color. T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5. It's 96. The numbers of 6. And use yellow color. S I X 6. Kids again use yellow color and draw 7. S E V E N 7. 8 E I G H T 8. Kids again use yellow color and draw 9. N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow color and last letter 10. T E and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.